Quiz 1 solution, average electricity bill. Hashtag write an expression that calculates the average of 23, 32, and 64. Hashtag place the expression in this print statement. Print, 23 plus 32 plus 64, /3. Quiz 2 solution, calculate. Hashtag fill this in with an expression that calculates how many tiles are needed. Print, 97 plus 57. Hashtag fill this in with an expression that calculates how many tiles will be left over. Print, 17.6, 97 plus 5 asterisk 7. Quiz 3 solution. Subscribe, like and share the playlist.